G'day everyone, welcome to another Vivid Sydney video, this one for 2024. I already made a quick Vivid Sydney tip video already a couple of years ago, and while most of that is still quite relevant, I think the biggest tip for everyone for this time is mainly for the drone show. It is called Love is in the Air, which is what it's called this year and will be done over 3 nights from June 8th, 9th and 15th. The runtime is about 10 to 15 minutes after 9 PM. And from experiencing it last year, I just simply could not believe how packed the city was with people. And I went to, I think, the second or third night of the show. And I can't really remember, but I really was not expecting the whole area around Circular Quay and the Rocks to be that crowded. It almost felt on par with New Year's Eve. So my biggest tip this year, if you wish to see the drone show, is to find a key spot. The show will be displayed simply around Sydney Cove, Circular Quay, the Rocks, so anywhere around there from Dawes Point to the Rocks, Circular Quay, all around to the Opera House. Be a pretty prime location. You could even probably see it from on the water or a different place from the other side of the harbour. But do not wait last minute, get in very early. I got there around 8:30 and the crowd was already packed. The show will start at 9 PM, and like I said from last year's experience where these shots were taken, I was at this location around 8:15 where the whole crowd was already, whole area was getting filled. So plan ahead and choose an ideal location. Be prepared to be patient getting home when it is all over. Most importantly, enjoy the show, enjoy Vivid Sydney. Everyone should be able to see it from being up in the air, so don't get in anyone's way. If you like this video, make sure you check out my other Vivid Sydney videos. I do a main one every year and a few other clips, and be sure to check out my other Vivid Sydney tips and more videos on my channel. Thank you all for watching. I hope to all see you again at Vivid Sydney. Until then, see you.